Power from Chainsaw Man joins the BiCute Bunnies life from FuRyu. Featuring a somewhat menacing expression and real mesh tights, this cute version of the Blood Fiend measures just under 10 inches tall to the tips of her ears. I got this from Shopee Japan, link in the description below. I was excited when FuRyu announced that they will release a figure of Power and Makima last year. I love the teaser video that they posted. Here's the box. The design is very glamorous. I like the colors and style of it. Now, let's unbox this gorgeous figure. Let's see what is inside the box. The box includes the base. It's not the standard BiCute Bunnies round base. Next are the bunny ears. It is colored red like the color of her outfit. The material is very soft. It looks like chili. Let me put the ears on Power first. Just be gentle on putting it. It is kinda hard to put on because the ears are too soft. It might get lost or pull off easily. I recommend to put a little bit of tacket for securing the ears. There you go. This figure looks good. Her pose is very dynamic. What makes her unique from the other BiCute Bunnies is how she stands. She is wearing red shorts matching the color of her knee-high boots. From the hit shounen anime Chainsaw Man comes this new addition to FuRyu's BiCute Bunny lineup, Power. Power looks fantastic in her bunny outfit, from her tall ears all the way down to her over-the-knee boots. We have to admit that she looks stunning. Her fishnet stockings are made of real fabric to give a touch of realism to the figure. Her white shirt and red high-waisted shorts complement each other perfectly whilst in Power's favorite color, red. Will you be taking home this BiCute bunny?
From the Chainsaw Man anime series comes the BiCute Bunnies Power figure by FuRyu. This figure is around 10 inches tall and displays Power in a bunny outfit while in a popular pose. Be sure to add this figure to your Chainsaw Man collection.